Hello guys.
Today
Didn't-
nothing really big has happened apart from we are literally up again. Blah blah blah. I don't know.
I am shaking to hell.
I'm like shaking as much as when
Wait.
I tried doing comedy. Even
Like this isn't funny. This stress is way more than like I don't know. This is so stressful.
I think this is like this isn't as hard as a soul crushing tower, but it's so much more stressful.
Okay.
Okay. Oh my god.
Please.
There's only 2 more scary jumps. They're not the hardest. Flip as a pro, yes. Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh my god. Okay, now Michael, don't fail. Remember your sit down pedal.
Did I just? Yes. Yes.
Should we use the ladder to be safe?
Yes. Wait.
Or Michael, you fail this jump.
Yes. Yes. Let's go. Yes. Oh my
Oh
god.
my god. I'm straight.
Yes. Oh.
Oh my god. Fine.
Let's go.
That was
Yes. Yes.
GG, guys. You have to like that.
Yes.
That's like,
Yes.
isn't that the 4th hardest remorseless?
I don't know.
Until Oblivion comes out, but I'm not sure if it's coming out because they're taking a long time.
Oh my god. That was way more stressful than it was meant to be. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my god. I actually want to cry because like that was that stressful. Like that was way more stressful than like I don't know.
Tower is fun but stressful. Sometimes fun. Also, the camera's a bit off screen, so I can't see it.
Oh sorry.
Turn it around. I can only see your pink arm. Oh, now it keeps turning. I want to see you. Oh my god. Do you think that tower should be an SC?
No, but like a bit higher than like what it is.
Definitely is stress though.
I beat it.
So, COQ now?
Yep. Next will probably be COQ with this face, with this chill face.
Because he's literally chilling after getting stressed so much.
Oh my god.
Still spending after all the times he fell in TOTV and broke so much of his limbs. Then he goes into the and somehow puts up.
Oh my god.
GG.
I'm still like shaking. This isn't like a tower where like you beat it and then like okay GG. Like it probably is. I don't know for sure, but like I beat it like in like 2 days. Not even 1 day and a half. For like a mid remorseless.
I don't think you've barely practiced like at all.
Yeah, true.
Most times it takes like a week or 2, maybe 3 to beat it. This one took 2 freaking days.
I'm speechless.
I mean, like, all you have to say now is COQ.
Yes.
Oh my
I have no words. I actually, like, I have no words. Oh, that final floor, that final floor is like the most stressful thing ever.
Did you end the video or not?
Wait, nah. Anyways, guys, yeah, that's my TO.
Subscribe to Beat's TOTV. Because
Yes.
Michael isn't subscribed and he beat it because he is the person who made it. And I'm subscribed, I think.
Okay.
I'm subscribed now in the next sentence. I suck at parkour. Yeah.
I'm actually like, my heart now, like, I don't know. I'm just happy that I beat this BS. I beat it, and yeah. Anyways, like and subscribe, please. It really does help.
They can subscribe or else I come in your house at 3 AM and take all of your computers.
And cookies.
Yes, I will steal your cookies and McDonald's.
Anyways, yeah.
Your McDonald's.
That's TOTV completion. Hopefully, like, that's good. I mean, I don't know. I'm so happy.
Die tomorrow. Bye.
Bye. See ya.